伫咧澳洲有研究人员咧试用甲机器狗放入去树林内底，画出来这个树林的3D 地图，嘛记录树仔健康状况，正做树仔保育甲环境永续的好助手。
这台4支卡的机器狗，互人派去澳洲的森林，一步一步行过悬悬低低的地形，帮助科学家画出森林大范围的3D 立体地图。牛津机器人研究所的科学家参加这项用科技保护管理森林的计划。
Sensors that we use are laser sensors, the same kind of sensor that's used in self-driving cars. So it measures distance out to each of the trees, and from that we can reconstruct basically the kind of cylinder shape of the trunks and measure their diameters and measure their heights and build up basically a database of the contents of the forest.
机器狗也画出森林需要人去管理的所在，像倒几丛树仔破边爱照顾，倒一寡爱错掉，来保护规片森林袂受极端天气等各种挑战的损害。
With the growth rate, you can detect where maybe a forest is struggling or where there might be trees that are dying. You can also use this kind of 3D model to project or plan interventions. So if you were to knock down certain trees to protect the rest of the forest from, say, strong wind damage, or a forester actually planning which trees they want to knock down.
这项数位森林机器狗计划是澳明永续林业的研究项目出钱资助，瑞士公司 Anybodes 开发这种叫做 Animal 的机器狗。伊本来是用伫咧工厂，也个另外设施即寡所在，怎么跨界到森林业是正大的转变。要安怎改变机器狗行路的能力，克服地形悬悬低低，一罐闪过像树棍这种物件卖绊倒，也是挑战。怎么这项技术已经伫芬兰、瑞士甲英国的森林测试，会一直试到明年，希望会当帮助国家精准的介入，降低破坏性。 和商业林的运作更较永续，不过即马就来看安怎说服产业开大钱买这款设备。公司新闻，施会长编辑。